Hi, on this video we're going to be demonstrating contamination, right? How do we mitigate contaminated floors? We're going to have a surface where we're going to put a contaminant on the floor, and we're going to be applying epoxy on one end, and we're going to be applying our product here, a Contaminant Controller, which is our Flo-Poxy 5753. It's a thicker liquid, but once applied, it will cover the surface, and it will have zero separation. So you'll have a successful floor. So usually when an installer calls you and tells you that the floor, the epoxy is separated, it's separated because there was contamination on the floor. You'll see blotches of epoxy and then blotches of clear down to the concrete. This is what we'll see. So what we suggest is that if you know that there's a floor that has some contaminated issue, you go with our Contaminant Controller epoxy, which is our Flo-Poxy 5753.